In this video, I'll show you how to connect Claude AI with Blender and use Claude to interact with your Blender projects. The setup is straightforward, so let's go through it step by step. First, you'll need two things: the Claude Desktop application and a compatible version of Blender. Download and install the Claude Desktop application from the official Claude website. You'll also need Blender installed on your computer, so make sure you're using a supported version before continuing. Once both applications are ready, open Claude. From the sidebar, click Customize, then go to Connectors. Here, search for the Blender connector. When you find it, select Install to add it to Claude. After installing the connector, Claude will provide instructions for connecting it to Blender. Follow those instructions to download the required Blender add-on. You'll usually have the option to download the add-on as a zip file or install it using the provided method. For this tutorial, download the zip file to your computer. Don't extract the zip file unless the instructions specifically tell you to, because Blender can install add-ons directly from a zip package. Now open Blender. Once Blender is running, go to Edit, then open Preferences. Look for the Add-ons section and choose the option to Install from Disk. Navigate to the location where you downloaded the Blender add-on zip file. Select the zip file and click Install. Blender will install the add-on, and once the installation is complete, make sure the add-on is enabled if Blender requires you to activate it. Now the important part is connecting everything together. Return to Claude and make sure the Blender connector is available and connected. Once the connection is active, Claude can communicate with Blender through the installed add-on. You can now give Claude instructions related to your Blender project. For example, you could ask Claude to create objects, modify scenes, adjust properties, or perform other supported Blender actions. Claude can then send those instructions to Blender, allowing you to control parts of your workflow using natural language. This can be especially useful if you're new to Blender, because you can describe what you want to create instead of manually searching through menus and settings for every action. And that's it. You've successfully connected Claude AI with Blender. With the Claude Desktop app, the Blender connector, and the Blender add-on installed, you can start experimenting with AI-assisted Blender workflows. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more AI, Blender, and technology tutorials.